Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn and play? Today we have fun words just for you. Let's splash, dress up, snuggle, and play together. Come on, let's go! Bath time. Splish, splash, splosh. It's bath time. Do you like splashing in the water? Let's get ready to wash, wash, wash. Bathtub, bathtub, bathtub. Here is the big bathtub. Bathtub. Can you pretend to climb in? Step, step. Now splash your hands in the water. Splash, splash. Shower, shower, shower. Look, water is falling from the shower. Shower, drip, drop, drip, drop. Can you make the sound shh like the shower? Soap, soap, soap. Here's the soap. Soap. Rub, rub, rub your hands together. Bubbles! Can you blow pretend bubbles? Towel, towel, towel. After bath, we need a towel. Towel. Let's pat, pat, pat to get dry. Can you pat your arms with your hands? Brush, brush, brush. Now let's brush our hair. Brush, brush, brush. Swish. Rubber duck, rubber duck, rubber duck. Rubber duck. Quack, quack. The rubber duck wants to swim. Can you make a duck sound? Quack, quack. Great job! Now you're clean and fresh. What's next after bath? Yes, let's put on our clothes. Clothes and accessories time. To get dressed. Let's open the closet together. Creak. Coat, coat, coat. It's cold outside. Coat. Let's put on a coat. Zip up. Can you zip with your finger? Shirt, shirt, shirt. Here's a shirt. Shirt. Slip your arms in. 1, 2. Can you stretch your arms out wide? Dress, dress, dress. Oh, look at the pretty dress. Dress. Can you twirl around in a circle like you're wearing a dress? Pants, pants, pants. Pull on your pants. Pants. Up, up, up. Can you stand tall like you're wearing pants? Shoes, shoes, shoes. Shoes. Tap, tap, tap. Shoes on your feet. Can you stomp your feet like you're wearing shoes? Hat, hat, hat. Here's a hat for your head. Hat. Pat, pat, pat. Can you touch your head? Scarf, scarf, scarf. Wrap the scarf around. Scarf. Brr! Can you hug yourself like you're keeping warm? Gloves, gloves, gloves. Fingers go in gloves. Gloves. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Show me your wiggly fingers. Socks, socks, socks. Socks go on first. Socks. Wiggle your toes. Can you wiggle your toes? Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. At night, we wear pajamas. Pajamas. Stretch and yawn. Ah, can you pretend to be sleepy? Wonderful! Now we're ready for bed. Let's see what we need for bedtime. Bedtime. It's bedtime. The sky is dark, the moon is shining. Let's get ready for sweet dreams. Crib, crib, crib. Here's your crib. Crib. Step in. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Can you wiggle your toes under the blanket? Say night-night, crib. Pillow, pillow, pillow. Your pillow is soft and squishy. Pillow. Can you pat your pillow with your hands? Now put your cheek on it and say, "Aw, so soft." Blanket, blanket, blanket. Time to get cozy. Blanket. Pull up the blanket. Can you hide under the blanket and then peek out? Peekaboo! Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Here's your teddy bear. Teddy bear. Give it a big hug. Can you rock your teddy like a baby? Whisper good night, Teddy, in a soft voice. Lamp, lamp, lamp. Click, the lamp goes off. Lamp. Dark and quiet. Can you close your eyes tight? Now open them. Peek and close again. Book, book, book. Before sleep, we read a book. Book. Open the pages. Point to a picture. What do you see? A cat? A dog? Now let's say the end and close the book. Snap. Shh, time to sleep. Good night, little one. Sleep tight. When you wake up, the sun will be shining and it will be time to play with toys. Toys and play. Good morning. The sun is up, the birds are singing. Let's play, play, play. Ball, Ball. Ball. Here's a ball. Ball. Round and bouncy. Roll it to me. Roll, roll. Now throw it up. Whoosh! Catch it. Can you bounce the ball on the floor? Doll. Doll, doll. The doll is smiling. Doll, wave hello. Can you rock the doll to sleep? Rock, rock. Now feed the doll with the pretend spoon. Give the doll a kiss. Mwah! Car. Car, car. Vroom, vroom. Car. Push the car fast. Now stop. Screech. Beep, beep. Let's make the car go slow. Vroom. And now super fast. Vroom. Blocks. 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 Let's stack the blocks. Blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So tall. Uh-oh, they fall down. Crash! Can you clap your hands when they fall? Let's build again. Stack, stack, stack. Kite. 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 The kite flies. Kite. Up in the sky. Whoosh! Can you wave your arms like the kite dancing in the wind? Drum. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Pat your lap like a drum. Quiet drum. Tap, tap. Wow, you did amazing today. Wash, dress, sleep, and play. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to come back next time for more fun words and games. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.